Good day, students. Welcome to our EIP class. Our topic for this week is nature. But this week we will study about nature above. Okay? This is the sun. Let's spell S-U-N. Sun. This is the moon. Let's spell M-O-O-N. Moon. These are stars. Let's spell S-T-A-R-S. Stars. This is a cloud. Let's spell C-L-O-U-D. Cloud. This is a rainbow. Let's spell rainbow. R-A-I-N-B-O-W. Rainbow. Okay. God bless you. Activity 1 for K2 EIP. Our topic for today is nature above. Trace the words, write the missing letter, and color. Cut and color the pictures below. So the first one, nature above. Tracing it. Oops, sorry. And then this one. What's the missing letter? What is this? Sun. Okay. So you will write S. Then just trace this one. Okay. The next one is moon. Okay, moon. The next one is stars. Stars. The next one is cloud. Cloud. The last one is rainbow. Rainbow. Okay, so you can see the pictures here. You need to cut it for our activity 2. So I'll show you first how to cut. And you have to color also, okay? Cut carefully. You can ask your parents to cut for you. So we have stickers here at the back. You have to color first, okay? Color everything. So I'll color the sun for sample. And then this one also, okay? Okay, then I will show you the next activity. Good job. God bless. Activity 2, EIP. Our topic is nature above. So for K1, I have the cut papers already. For K2 and K3 are this. And you have to cut it. Okay? Cut, cut, cut. Use the scissors properly. And you will have something like this. Okay? And you have to color. So I will color this one. For example, the sun. Okay. Let's color. And then when you color the others, it will look something like this. The rainbow, the stars, the moon, and the cloud doesn't need to color because it's already white. Now, let's get this one. Okay. We will color the top portion because we will put the nature above. Okay. Okay. So, if you see a line here, maybe we can put borders. So let's say that this is the sky. Okay, we can put half. So this will be blue. Okay, I will pause and I will color it fast. So this one I colored already with blue. The next half I will color with black. Okay, I'm almost finished coloring with black. You can pause this video, okay? Pause the video and color. Just like what teacher did. I pause, stop the video and color, okay? And then this will be the day and the night. So what can we see above when it's daytime? Okay, we can see the stars. No, not the stars. Here's the sun. Put it here. The clouds can be day or night, but it's more visible during daytime. And the rainbow here. And in the evening, you can see the moon and the stars. Okay, so this is our, I'll do like this, nature from above. We'll make a fan. So you see these popsicle sticks. Okay, you can take this out and put it at the back. Okay, stick it on. Oops, put it in the center. There you go. So it will be like this. But we're still not finished. Next week we will study about nature below. Okay? Good job. God bless you.